Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with domestic violence without proof. Domestic violence attorney, San Francisco, accused of domestic violence, San Francisco, criminal attorney, San Francisco. Let's see. I was arrested for an argument with my wife. I did not hit her. We just argued. When the police arrived, I was arrested for domestic violence. Okay, this could be a lie. Your wife may have made up the story because she was mad at you, which is horrible. Because in our system, people get accused of things they didn't do all the time, and it's a he said, she said type thing, and it's horrific for somebody to be accused of something. The DA files the charges, and then you're at a situation where you're like, okay, do I take this case to trial and take the risk of being found guilty of something I didn't do? Or do I take a deal in order to get a guarantee to avoid jail? It's a horrible dilemma to be in. It's horrific, and that's part of the garbage that's in our system. But here's the thing. It says right here you didn't hit her. Okay, you may not have hit her, as in whack. You probably didn't hit her. But you have to understand that if you're having an argument with your wife, ex-wife, girlfriend, ex-girlfriend, someone with whom you've had sex with in the past, during the course of the argument, do not touch the other person. During the course of the argument, do not even touch. Do not even touch. Matter of fact, stay away from her physically. The reason is because during the course of your argument, if you touch the other person, that touch can be classified as an offensive touching under Penal Code Section 242, and if it is your spouse or ex-spouse or girlfriend or ex-girlfriend or somebody with whom you've had sex with, it's going to be classified as domestic violence under Penal Code Section 243, parentheses E, parentheses 1, which is a misdemeanor, which carries up to 1 year in county jail, plus having to take domestic violence classes. And even if it's a misdemeanor, it's still crime of moral turpitude, which means that if you're not a U.S. citizen, it's something that could result in deportation, exclusion from the United States, and denial of naturalization. Because right here it says, yeah, I argued with my wife. I did not hit her. We just argued, but I don't know if you touched her during the argument. I don't know if you squeezed her hand during the argument. I don't know if you may have slightly pushed her during the argument. How close were you when you were having this argument? That's whenever you're having an argument with your spouse or whatever significant other, go away. Get her out of the house if you can, or at least keep a good distance. You do not want to get close to each other, because if you have any kind of physical contact, that contact can be interpreted as offensive. It's stupid in my opinion, but that's just how the law is written. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, give us a call here in the San Francisco Bay Area, 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal attorney, San Francisco. Domestic violence, San Francisco. Domestic violence attorney, San Francisco.